Okay, so we're getting into the reverse parallel park. It's an exercise where you need to reverse into a relatively tight space. The length is representative of 2 car lengths from the subject vehicle, the vehicle we're using in front. Okay, so what we'll aim to do then is we're going to be making sure that we do this with due regard for other road users. We're going to make effective observations. We're going to keep the car nice and slow. We're going to exercise good clutch control. Okay, so first of all, turn the keys and fire up the vehicle. Select first gear. Make all round effective observations, checking all the way through the blind spots, all the way through the mirrors. And if there's no one around, no signal is required to move off or release the handbrake. And we'll move off into position, ensuring that we're approximately a metre away from the subject vehicle, nice and parallel, and we'll finish up roughly so that the passenger side mirror comes almost up to the end of the vehicle, like so. Once we've brought the car to a complete stop, we'll select reverse gear. Again, make a good all-round observation, make sure there's no one around, and we're reversing back nice and slowly. We're looking out in the direction of travel, and we're looking over our left shoulder, and you'll see that the door pillar will shortly become level with the end of the subject vehicle. Once it does, we'll bring the car to a complete stop. We'll have a good all-round check here. This will be where we make our first turn to the left. So that good check there is to make sure that there's no one around when we swing the vehicle out. We're looking to get our car now approximately a 45-degree angle from the subject vehicle. And as we do, we'll make a very brisk turn. Again, 1 rotation to the right-hand side. Very brisk. We'll reverse back, continuing nice and slowly, looking in the direction of travel, and the quarter window on the passenger side, the corner of the subject vehicle, should become very apparent shortly. Again, a brisk turn to the right, 360-degree turn, and we're reversing back nice and slow, looking in the direction of travel, and a little glance now and again on the passenger side mirror, as the next reference point will be looking like when we have the curb parallel to the door. Just like so. And at this point we need to briskly make 1 rotation to the left to keep the car parallel to the curb. We'll continue looking in the direction of travel. We'll take the car back nice and slowly, giving yourself ample room to move off. Bring the car to a complete stop, applying the brake, pushing the clutch all the way down, handbrake, select neutral.
That's your son.